क्या नोट्स बनाया है तुम लोगों ने? ये नोट्स होते हैं क्या? मालूम नहीं है क्या खुद का शो है? Should we go? Excuse me? What? Are you sure? Okay, all right. Breaking news, this is Justin. Mother Nature as we know it has come to a conclusion that humans are no longer the dominant species on this planet. Rather, it's a life form smaller than the size of your Rajnigandha spitball, Athu. And it comes from a nation full of small people with large ambitions. This is me, Shubham, aka Silent Stuff, and people with a below average IQ all around the world want to know that what happened with their perfectly moving straightforward life. On today's edition of Corona, ये क्या होता है? Hi there and welcome to tonight's edition of Corona ये क्या होता है? Where we discuss how the coronavirus has made our life even more miserable. The coronavirus, as you know, has taken thousands of lives all around the world, or as millennials like to call it, how sad that I can't meet my friends anymore. How sad. Teenagers have learnt new things such as jhadu pocha, washing the dishes, dusting, taking out the trash, or as parents like to say, बचपन में हमें ये सब करना पड़ता था जो तुम अभी रो रहे हो हम ये सब करते थे और खुद करते थे, खुद धोते थे, खुद साफ करते थे, कोई हमें बताने वाला नहीं होता था उस टाइम पे, पानी वानी भी नहीं होता था उस टाइम पे. Millennials are now gathering as much as data possible for their future kids so that they can show them that they weren't soft during this time. Hashtag हाँ मैंने भी झाड़ू मारी थी. The coronavirus 2019 aka COVID-19 has been believed to be first identified in Wuhan, China. Wuhan is now among the Hall of Fame of cities where the world got to know about something after everything went wrong, like New York, Berlin, London, most of the Middle East, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and now Wuhan. Small droplets produced either by coughing, sneezing, or talking, like any other failing relationship, can lead to the coronavirus. The droplets fall either onto the ground or onto any other surface. So basically, if you are a robber, a chain snatcher, or just like to harass women when they go on their evening walks, know that the moment you touch the handlebars on your bike, you are a dead person. And I'm saying this in a very polite manner. In short, human contact is to be kept at minimal. So watch your social life go out the window, literally. It's okay, enjoy binge watching movies and TV shows which your friends used to brag about, but internally you knew that you'll never be able to understand what's happening in the TV show or movie in the first place. It's not your fault, it's just that knowledge is not your forte. No. Alright, guys, let's get ready for our next segment. It's quite fun, it's a quiz round, and I think you'll like it. So let's go. This is the Stupid Citizen quiz, and here is our stupid citizen. The quiz is very simple. Our stupid citizen has to answer the questions correctly. If he gets them all right, he may have a chance to win a lifetime supply of hand sanitizer. I mean, That is one of the things I need at this moment. Are you ready? Starting off with our first question. How much distance should you maintain during social distancing? 6 inches, 1 foot, 6 feet. 6 inches? Well, my friend, I am afraid that is the correct answer. You, my friend, have moved on to the next round. This is something you should be really proud about. Alright, are you ready? What should you clean your hands with? Hand sanitizer, Desh ki mitti, or Harpic? This is a very tricky question. You have to think about it, take your time, use all of your brain cells. जितना दिमाग है उतना ही लगाओ. देश की मिट्टी. Are you sure? Well, my friend, this is the correct answer. You have moved on to the final round of this quiz and you are this much closer to victory. My friend, are you ready for your last question? Why is it necessary to wear a mask? To avoid infection, to take in more oxygen, or to keep your lips dry? Please choose your answer wisely. This is your final attempt. Keep your lips dry? Well, let me tell you one thing. That's the correct answer and you have won the Stupid Citizen quiz. You are the most stupid citizen of the world. Let's talk about some things that are happening within India. With a population of over 1 billion people, I truly am proud of each and every Indian citizen that they're understanding the fact to stay at home during this situation. Really. I never thought that each and every Indian would respect the fact that there is a global catastrophe, so much of chaos, and being at home is the best suitable option right now. Really, I'm very proud. What? What? I just told them. Yeah, it's live. Okay, alright. I take it back. Hundreds of Indians are on the streets in perfectly symmetric queues outside of their local wine and beer shops. The government decided to create red, orange, and green zones during the extended lockdown to ease off basic city functioning. I mean, I'm with the government and everything, but don't we know that color differentiation is not a thing in India? And a clear example of that is on your road intersections. Wait, if you don't understand it, I'll tell you, I'll give you an example. ओ वो देख लाल बत्ती रेड लाइट क्या करें चलते हैं कोई देख थोड़ नहीं रहा है हाँ हाँ बच्चे बच्चे घूम रहे कोई बात नहीं चलते हैं लेट्स गो ओ वो देख ग्रीन लाइट क्या करें हाँ सही कह रहा है पीछे वाले को हॉर्न मारने दे पहले फिर ही चलेंगे ओ वो देख येलो लाइट येलो लाइट येलो लाइट इसमें आगे वाले को थोड़ा सा टच कर दूं या ऑनकमिंग ट्रैफिक को उड़ा देता हूं हाँ येलो लाइट The starting of the lockdown was quite interesting and confusing for a lot of Indians because there was a lot of things going on around the country, a lot of chaos, you know. For example, that instance where the Go Corona song, remember, Go Corona, Go Corona, they thought that if you sing this song, Corona will go away. Let's try. Go Corona. Go Corona. Go Corona. This is what they thought. Or that instance in Indore where a mob of angry people threw rocks at doctors and they were running for their lives. There was a miscommunication. They thought the doctors had come to ask their Aadhaar details. Or there was that instance where the possible cure for corona was Cow piss. Gomutra. Cow piss? What's the big deal? Gomutra. बेटा गोमूत्र है, पी लो, चुपचाप पी लो. अरे इतना क्यों सोच रहे हो? गोमूत्र है, पी लो, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक हो जाओगे ना, ठीक हो जाओ. अच्छा अच्छा, गुस्सा नहीं होता है, पी लो, थोड़ा सा पी लो ना. अरे पी लो ना, इट्स ओनली काउ पिस, नथिंग. पी लो. अच्छा कोई नहीं देख रहा, पी ले बेटा, पी ले, ठीक हो जाएगा. मैं कह रहा हूँ पी ले. Shiv Sena Bhaks have organized their own separate protests after an important discovery that directly affects their livelihood. There are no more couples to lynch or separate, which makes them unemployed. Take that, you anti liberals. They weren't joking when they said that the coronavirus affects all forms of employment. Online cooking channels are overwhelmed with the amount of response they're getting during this lockdown, from homemade pizzas to homemade burgers to homemade pastas and to homemade golgappes. Me, I have become the judge of MasterChef India Home Edition. Literally, I've like gained 5 kilos in 3 days just by tasting dahi bhalle with chutney, dahi bhalle with hari chutney, dahi bhalle without chutney, dahi bhalle with kali chutney, and that's it. And today I had bhuri chawal. What is bhuri chawal, you may ask? It is chini chawal. I thought bhuri is supposed to be brown, but it's not. It's actually shredded sugar. Bhuri chawal. Alright guys, till then, let's tune in to sports and see what's happening in the world of sports. Hi, football, basketball, cricket. There is no sports happening in the world. The Olympics have been postponed. Nothing is happening, guys. And yeah, back to you. Okay. Alright, let's tune in to the weather. Hi Shubham. The weather is quite nice here. Clear skies, less pollution. This is the best humanity has ever done. Back to you. Well, that pretty much sums it up. Hey guys, it's time for our next segment where we discuss with our 4 guests for tonight on what is going to happen to India once the lockdown has been lifted. We're very close to it. Let's welcome our 4 guests.
Hi,
Hello,
hi,
can you hear me, guys?
Hi, namaste. Hi,
Yes,
namaste.
yes.
Hi.
Alright guys, so welcome to Corona ये क्या होता है, and we are going to discuss on what is going to happen to India once the lockdown is lifted. We're very close to it. So let's start off with Lashi Tharpur.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. I just want to say that we are going through a very tough time during this time, and that everybody needs to get together to solve this problem that we have of the coronavirus. And it's a very tough time for all of us, and it's going to take everybody's effort to tackle this like a true nation that India is.
I just have to, I'm sorry, I'm pausing you. Our other guest has something to say.
सर, एक तो मेरे को ये पहले बात बताइए, इनको नेता बनाया?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
नेता किसने बनाया इनको? है? यहाँ पे 100 किलोमीटर रोज लेबर फोर्स चल के जा रही है अपने गांव. इनको क्या करना है? ओह, इंडिया इज गोइंग टू बी टुगेदर. भाई, जो असली में हो रहा है वो तो देखो ना क्या हो रहा है. किसने बनाया इनको नेता? आ गया चश्मा लगा के, है? बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ा लिखा है. बताइए.
I'm really sorry, but Lashi Tharpur was not able to complete what he was saying. Let's go back to him.
Yes.
Yes.
So I was saying was that we need to get together and we need to solve this together. This is the problem.
बदतमीजी से बात हो जाएगी,
आप
बोल
देखें,
रहे हो,
ये क्या हो रहा है?
I wanted
ये
to
तक
say
किसी
something,
से किसने
but
बताया?
you with
ये
your
कुछ सोचा है,
India
कुछ
law
सोचा
हो
है,
जाएगी,
नहीं सोचा ना?
whatever you
ये
want.
होते रहते हैं, बस
India
यही करते रहते हैं।
India
देखो,
हम दोनों क्या are destroying.
ऐसे नहीं होता। आजा, न्यूज़ चैनल, आज बोल ले,
Really?
बोल, ऐसे मत टीवी पे आके ऐसे बोल के कोई झगड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए। नहीं तो बोल, नहीं तो बोल। अरे मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत फोर्स, मत बोल। मैं कह रहा हूँ बोल मत करिए। अच्छा, और मेरे गाइस ने अरे वाओ, और I'm तू चुप करिए, तू चुप करिए। You know what is cover? But this is not ऐसे I'm really India democracy लड़ो मत। जो मेरे मन में आएगा मैं बोल प्रॉब्लम विद इंडिया। ऐसे नहीं होता। नौकरी का गाँव कहाँ का पैसा? मेरी बात तो नहीं आएगा। गो कहाँ से what your solution करूँगा गो। नहीं होता, गलत बात है करूँगा गो। अच्छा मैंने करा गो किस चुप कर यार, गो करूँगा गो। You shut up, करूँगा। You shut up.
I know there is so much happening right now all around the world, and we don't know what's going to happen in the future. Well, here are some future predictions. Recession and recovery will go hand in hand. As per the current numbers, barring India and China, which ironically are the two worst hit countries by the coronavirus, will experience a widespread recession later this year. These two countries will be shielded by the sheer size of their population. As it turns out, multiplying like rabbits over the past 50 years has its own advantages. The good news is that 2021 will experience an unprecedented boom for all the industries due to the increased spending power or savings of customers brought on by this lockdown. In fact, the rebound growth percentage is expected to be a healthy 5.8%, which currently is brighter than some of our viewers' future. I'm not talking about you, but look at the person sitting next to you. Think about them. The concept of working from home is going to stick around for a while now. And surprisingly, this may create newer homes. How, you may ask? As more and more businesses transition to a work from home model, this will free up existing office spaces which can then be used for residential purposes also. In a country such as India, where wage workers are forced to sleep on the roads or streets or in slums, this will prove to be a much needed reprieve. So, it is highly important for all of us working remotely from home to create some kind of office space within our own houses. So, get off your bed, stop being lazy, stop smelling like an animal, go take a shower, and make an office space inside your own home. Alright? Thank you. The Indian aviation industry has been taken back by 3 years. Have you been saving up for that one trip with your friends that at the back of your mind you always knew is never going to materialize? Because in actual reality, you don't have any real friends, or your friends are too polite to say it to your face. Well, you don't have to worry because there's a really slim chance that you'll be able to travel in the near future. It's okay, you're saved. Transportation is amongst the worst hit industries by the COVID 19, and in that, the aviation sector is at a standstill. For the month of March, India's domestic air traffic fell by 12%. Globally, air passenger traffic has fallen by 52%. A quick analysis shows that the Indian air passenger traffic could fall by 100 million. These numbers were last seen about 4 years ago. Tourism has returned to 2012. The United Nations World Tourism Organization has predicted that global tourism could fall to about 25 to 30%. If India follows this trend, it may be an 8-year setback for us. Currently, hotel bookings worldwide are at a 10% decline. This goes to show that if tourism continues to get hit, it will definitely bring down a lot more industries along with it. The Confederation of Indian Industry has estimated that tourism will incur losses up to 5 lakh crores and job cuts impacting 5 crore people. These heavy cuts were coming at a time when India was quickly becoming a global hub for tourism. And it's all because of Modi ji's international traveling schedule. No, really, this man started off in New Delhi for some breakfast. He would head over for lunch to the Middle East and could take out some time for high tea with the Queen of England in her palace, all in time to make it back for dinner with his best friend Mr. Donald Trump. I mean, Donald Trump. Netflix and chill. One of the most underrated industries in terms of losses right now is the entertainment sector. Movies have been delayed, productions halted, release dates pushed back, actors becoming TikTokers. You get the picture. The silver lining here is that the lockdown is occurring at a time where streaming giants like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar are at their peak prime. So get used to the fact that you'll be seeing more and more movie premieres on your television screen rather in the cinemas. Imagine if the virus occurred 10 years ago when online streaming was an alien concept. We would go crazy. I still remember the buffering days, the torrent days, and let me tell you, they weren't easy. So, yes, guys, the coronavirus has caused a lot of mass devastation throughout the world, and everybody has been affected by it. But it's okay. This is where we learn that sticking together is the best option, being positive is the best option. I know for a fact that we will get through this together. Before I leave, I just want to say a few words in the form of a poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. The coronavirus may be blue. Roses are red, violets are blue. Let's come together. Uh, Roses are red, violets are blue. The sky seems blue. Plants are green. And the coronavirus is a flu. Roses are red, violets are blue. The sky is light blue. Okay, one, two, three, go. Roses are red, violets are blue. The coronavirus is a flu. Sandwiches are made by witches. Butter cannot be eaten with mutter. Samsonite comes out at night before a flight, and what would it take for you to subscribe to my channel at night?